Common English mistakes. I am having a small family. Wrong. I have a small family. Correct. She is more taller. Wrong. She is taller. Correct. I didn't saw him. Wrong. I didn't see him. Correct. Me and my friend went. Wrong. My friend and I went. Correct. I have 20 years old. Wrong. I am 20 years old. Correct. People is kind. Wrong. People are kind. Correct. I am waiting you. Wrong. I am waiting for you. Correct. He do not like it. Wrong. He does not like it. Correct. Every student's like it. Wrong. Every student likes it. Correct. I like very much pizza. Wrong. I like pizza very much. Correct. I came by walk. Wrong. I came on foot. Correct. Let's discuss about it. Wrong. Let's discuss it. Correct. Congrats for your win. Wrong. Congrats on your win. Correct. I look forward to meet you. Wrong. I look forward to meeting you. Correct. Married with a doctor. Wrong. Married to a doctor? Correct. I've seen it yesterday. Wrong. I saw it yesterday. Correct. Can you repeat again? Wrong. Can you repeat that? Correct. I explain you the rule. Wrong. I'll explain the rule to you. Correct. He's good in English. Wrong. He is good at English. Correct. I need to go to home. Wrong. I need to go home. Correct. A 10 floors building. Wrong. A 10-floor building? Correct. He is my cousin brother. Wrong. He is my cousin. Correct. Today morning I slept late. Wrong. This morning I slept late. Correct. What time in your watch? Wrong. What time is it by your watch? Correct. I am boring. Wrong. I am bored. Correct. Open the light. Wrong. Turn on the light. Correct. Please reply back. Wrong. Please reply. Correct. I am student. Wrong. I am a student. Correct. The life is hard. Wrong. Life is hard. Correct. I will give an exam. Wrong. I will take an exam. Correct.
Thank you for watching this video till the end. I hope you learned something new today. Now click on these two videos on the screen to keep improving your English. I'll see you there. Bye.